I've been testing a lot of AI video tools lately, and VEED is interesting because it isn't really just an AI video generator. It's more like an editor with a bunch of AI tools built into it. So I wanted to see if that actually makes creating videos easier, or if it's just another platform with too many features. I started with a simple idea for a YouTube video. I gave VEED a topic, and it could turn that into a video with scenes, visuals, voiceover, and captions. You can also paste your own script instead of letting AI write one for you. What I liked immediately is that once the AI creates something, I don't have to download it and move to another editor. It's already sitting there on the timeline. And this is probably where VEED makes the most sense. Let's say the AI chooses a boring visual for one part of my script. I can simply replace that footage, add my own clip, or generate another scene. VEED currently gives users access to several video models, including VO3, Kling, Halo, Sora, and Cdance, depending on the workflow and availability. So you're not stuck using one model for everything. I can pick a model based on the shot I'm trying to create and then continue editing normally. I also spent some time with the regular editing tools, and honestly, this is where VEED feels stronger than a lot of AI-only platforms. You get things like automatic subtitles, audio cleanup, filler word removal, AI B-roll, voice cloning, avatars, translations, and resizing for different social platforms. So imagine you're recording a talking head YouTube video. Instead of manually removing every and awkward pause, VEED can handle that for you. Then you can clean up the audio, add captions, and drop in B-roll. That can save a ridiculous amount of editing time. There's one thing I wouldn't ignore though. AI generations use credits. The amount depends on which model you're using, and VEED shows the credit cost before you generate. Free plan AI availability can also vary by region, and free exports include limitations such as a watermark. Cispy support.veed.io. So if you're constantly generating expensive clips, you'll probably want a paid plan. And personally, I wouldn't use VEED expecting every AI generated scene to be perfect on the first try. You still need to review and edit the result. After trying the overall workflow, I'd give VEED AI a 9.2 out of 10. For pure cinematic AI generation, there are tools I'd choose before VEED. But for YouTube videos, shorts, ads, tutorials, talking head content, and social media, I really like the combination of AI generation and traditional editing. The biggest advantage is simple. You can generate something, edit it, fix it, add captions, add your branding, and export, all in one place. That's what makes VEED worth trying for me. Like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more honest AI tool reviews.